Hey everyone, it's Sam Scourin here at MRI Software. We're so excited for our largest and most exciting MRI Ascend that's going to be in October this year in Vegas. We cannot wait to see you there, and let's hear from some of our clients that attended last year in 2025.
I wasn't really sure what to expect. I have attended other events like this before. Meeting the people and learning that MRI is actually here to do more than just talk about the product has been the most valuable to me. Brings a real human element to MRI.
So my favorite part about coming to Ascend is that I get to talk to our redirect, our support team, along with our MRI representative, and she directs me to everybody that I can talk to and get help. It's been very informative.
Fantastic is the way in which we interacted with some of the lecturers and how they done it and the way in which they put everything together. Very informative, and the case studies really was excellent because it gives us an opportunity to learn from one another.
Registration is now open, but early bird pricing ends April 30th, so get your ticket now and join us in Vegas.